friends, this is the third problem of our practice set 2.1. In triangle PQR, angle QPR is 90 degree given and segment PM is perpendicular to the segment QR, and there is a betweenness given QMR. Here value given in the problem is PM, segment PM is 10 unit and segment QM is 8 unit. Then first is segment PM is perpendicular to segment QR and also angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. This shows the property of geometric mean. So by the theorem of geometric mean, PM square is equal to QM multiplied MR. PM square means 10 square, 8 multiplied MR. 100 is equal to 8 multiplied MR. आता हा इकडे गुणिला आहे, हा 8 जो गुणिला आहे तो इकडे येताना 100 ला काय होतो भागिले is equal to MR. 12.5 unit the value of MR. But we have to find the value of QR. Then QR is equal to QM plus MR, because QMR is the betweenness. So QR is formed with the QM plus MR. Value of QR is equal to 8 plus MR value is 12.5 unit is equal to 20.5 unit. It is the value of our problem. QR value is 20.5. Segment SR is given 6 unit, and to find the segment RP and the segment XP. One angle is not given in this problem. How to find? We see in class 9 sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So by this way, this is the 90 degree right angle triangle and this is 30. 90 plus 30, 120 degree. And remaining angle is 180 minus 120 means this is 60 degree. This triangle shows the property of theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So by the theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, segment SR is 1/2 times the hypotenuse. SR is given 6 unit, 1/2 into PR. So PR is equal to 12 unit. Then next one is to find SP. SP is equal to side opposite to 60 degree is √3/2 times the hypotenuse. √3/2 times the hypotenuse. So √3/2 PR is equal to 12 unit. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 into 3 unit. That is the value of SP. This problem solved with the help of theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree. Then our next fourth problem is activity based. This is the isosceles right angle triangle. AB is equal to BC. These are identical marks, shows that these two sides are congruent and hypotenuse is √8. Then first AB is equal to BC, that is given. Then angle BSC is equal to 45 degree. This shows the theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. These two sides opposite to 45 degree is √1/2 times the hypotenuse. Here also 1/√2 times, and the value of AC is √8. Then 1/√2. Then value of √8 is here given is 2 into √2. How? 4 multiplied 2 is equal to square root of 4 is 2. 2 into √2. √2 cancel. Then answer is 2 unit. The value of AB and BC is 2 unit. Our next problem is problem number 9. Before the 9, the other problems are so easy, so you have to solve in your class book. This is important problem because it gives the asterisk means higher order thinking problem. In this given figure, we have to prove that from the given figure PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. Angle PRQ is 90 degree and one given condition is M is the midpoint of segment RQ. There are the two right angle triangle PRM and right angle triangle PRQ. Then in right angle triangle PRQ by Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. PQ square is equal to PR square plus, आता इथे बघा RQ square म्हणजे काय, RM plus MQ असं आपण लिहू शकतो. RM plus MQ हे का लिहू शकतो आपण, कारण M is the midpoint of QR. त्यामुळे इथे काय करेल आता पुढच्या स्टेपला PQ square is equal to PR square plus 2RM मी म्हटलं तरी चालेल, कारण RM is equal to MQ midpoint म्हणून एक तर 2RM म्हणा किंवा 2MQ म्हणा, मी 2RM म्हटलं. PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4RM square ही पहिली कंडिशन झाली. आता आपण दुसऱ्या राईट अँगल ट्रायंगलचा विचार करू. इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल PRM by Pythagoras theorem, PM square हा hypotenuse, PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. आता याच्यात एक थोडक्यात एक बदल करतो. RM square is equal to PM square minus PR square. एवढाच बदल केला. PM square जो आहे तो तिकडे गेला आणि त्याच्यातून हा PR square मायनस होईल. ही झाली आता कंडिशन सेकंड. ऍडिंग 1 and 2. PQ square, आता ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे याच्यामध्ये ऍडिंग व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 2 इन दिस इक्वेशन. PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4RM square ची व्हॅल्यू कशी येईल आता 4RM square ची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल PM square minus PR square. PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4PM square multiply 4 to both in this bracket 4PM square minus 4PR square. आता इथे बघा हा 4PR square आणि नंतर PR square. PQ square is equal to या minus 4PR square मधून हा वरती लिहितो. PQ square is equal to PR square हा 4 minus 4PR square मधून मायनस होईल. अगोदर 4PM square is equal to मायनस झाल्यानंतर 3PR square. अशा पद्धतीने आपण हे प्रूव्ह केलं. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण पुढचा बघणार आहे अवर नेक्स्ट थेरम इज अपोलोनियस थेरम. जरी यावर्षी हा थेरम जो आहे तो अभ्यासक्रमातून तात्पुरत्या या वर्षापुरता वगळण्यात आला आहे तरी हा आपण शिकूया. When there is a in triangle ABC, AM is the median and M is the midpoint on the side BC. At that time, Apollonius theorem is AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square median plus 2BM square. Here we also write the 2MC square also or 2MC square. This is called the Apollonius theorem. आता आपण याच्यावर आहे ना प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.2 चे प्रॉब्लेम्स बघूया. Our first problem is in triangle PQR. Point S is the midpoint of side QR. Midpoint of side QR and PQ given 11 unit, PR 17 unit and median PS is 13 unit and to find QR. Then by Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PS square plus 2QS square. Then what is the value of PQ square given? 11 square plus PR 17 square. 2 in bracket, value of median is 13 square plus 2 QS square. Square of 11 is 121. Square of 17 is 289 is equal to 2 multiply 169 square of 13 is plus 2 QS square. Here we do the sum of this 410. 9 plus 1 0 410 is equal to, then 338 plus 2 q square. 2 multiply 169 is 338. 410 हा 338 इकडे येताना मायनस होईल 2qs स्क्वेअर. आता याच्यामधून 410 मधून 338 जो आहे तो वजा केला 72 बरोबर 2qs स्क्वेअर. आता हा 2 याला भागिले भागाकार केला 72 भागिले 2 36. 36 is equal to qs square. Taking square root 6 unit is the answer of qs, but we have to find the value of qr. Qr is equal to 2 multiply qs because median s is midpoint of segment qr. qr is equal to 2 multiply 6. qr is equal to 12 unit. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 10 unit. Then AC is equal to 7. Then BC is equal to 9. And find the length of median. Medians which is drawn from point C on the side AB, from point C to the side AB, to find out the median. Then first there is the value of AB is equal to 10. AB is equal to 10 given. Then CD is median. Therefore point D midpoint on side AB. Therefore AD is equal to 1/2 of AB. 1/2 into 10. AD is equal to 5 unit. By Apollonius theorem, AC square plus BC square is equal to 2CD square plus 2AD square. Here the value of AC square 7 square plus 9 square is equal to 2 multiply CD square plus 2 multiply value of AD is 5 square. 7 square 49 plus 81 is equal to 2 multiply CD square plus 2 multiply square of 5 is 25. 30 minus 50 is equal to 2 multiply CD square. 130 मधून 50 वजा केले 80. 2 multiply CD square. 80 upon 2 is equal to CD square. 40 is equal to CD square. Root 40 is equal to CD square. आता याचा एक्सपांशन 10 into 4 is equal to CD square. Square root of 4 is 2. याचा 10 square root निघत नाही. Unit is equal to CD. Segment CD is the median. Value of that median is 2 into root 10.